Hello and welcome to lesson 25 of my Learn to Write series. We're really near the end now and we're on zigzag monster letters. So we've done a V, we've done a W, and today we're going to do a X. Okay, let me show you how it goes. It's a bit of a funny one because you're going to lead in like you did with the other letters. Then you're going to go down. And we don't often say this, but you're going to take your pen off the page, jump to the side, up, and then your little lead, little flick out, ready to go into your next letter. Okay, so what's different is this jump across that you have to do, because most precursive letters, you keep your pen on the page, don't you? Right, let's try that with our magic pencil, shall we? Get your magic pencil, sharpen it up. I know you're experts at this by now. We're going to lead in. We're going to go down, nice straight line. Then jump your pen off, jump across, and then go up, and a little flick out, ready to join onto your next letter. Let's try that again. Up we go, straight down. Jump your pen off, jump it back on, and then up, and a little flick out to the side. We've got one more practice. Up we go, ooh, down, jump your pen off, and then we're going to go up, and a little flick over. Brilliant. Let's go and practice that on some paper, shall we? All right, my pens want to roll away. We are practicing our zigzag monster letters, and we're doing X. Now, if we just remind ourselves, when we did the what we added in was we added in the lead and we added in a lead off, a lead in and a lead off. Same for when we did the W. So here's our what. We added in a lead up to it, then we did our W, then we did a little flick off. And X is exactly the same. It's the same size, it sits on the line. There's our lead in, there's our X, and there's our little lead off. So if you took those away, you can see your little X would be there. But you've got a lead in, you've got your X, and then you've got a little lead off. Now, the main thing that's different about this letter is we do take our pen off the page, which with our right handwriting, we don't normally take our pen off, do we? But X is one of the few letters that we do. So lead in, jump your pen off, jump over there, and lead off ready to go into your next letter. This is looking fantastic. Right, let's have a little practice, shall we? Change our colour. You can do these different sizes. So lead in. Here's the first bit of your X. And a flick out. Lead in. There's the first bit. Jump your pen off. Jump over here. And a little lead out. Okay, here we go. Lead in. First part, jump your pen across. And X. This is looking great. There you go, and lead off at the end. Really isn't difficult. Here we go, jump your pen over, and don't forget your little lead off, that's where you're going to join onto another letter. Jump your pen over. Remember, we can take our pen off the page. Here we go. We can do some teeny tiny ones. When we do them in our book, eventually we'll be doing them in a small way. Excellent. Fantastic, everybody. Let's go and practice these in a more interesting way. Well done. Well, now we've practiced X on paper, we're going to practice it with some Legos. If you've got some, go and find it and I'll show you what to do. Right, to practice our letter X with Lego, have a look through all your Lego and you need some long bits and a few short bits. So for each X, you're going to need 3 long bits, like this. Let's move those off. And you're going to need 1 short bit. So let's have this as a short bit. Okay, so there's our little lead in. X. Now, then we do our line down. Here we go, you can join that on. Up we go. Then we have to jump our pencil off, don't we? So this is going to be the next bit. So you've jumped across, and then we need our little lead off. So use your short bit to pop that on the end. So you go up, down, jump across, up, and there's your little lead off. Fantastic. Let's pop that up there. Should we do another one? So I've got some bits here. It doesn't matter if they're not all the same. So I've got 3 long bits and a short bit. So let's have that one as our lead in. Then we'll have that one as our down. That one as our cross. And then there's going to be our little lead across. So you're going to go up, down, jump your pencil across, up, and there's your little lead off. Great, we'll do one more, shall we? I've got some 3 different size long ones, and I've got a little short one that I found. So let's have a lead up, shall we? Then we'll have, there we go, lead up, straight down. Then we need this as our cross. So, and then we need a little lead off. There is your letter X. So up, down, pen off, up, lead off. Up, down, pen off, jump across, up, and there's your little lead off. Let's do it one more time. Up we go. Go into your X, pen off. Up we go. And there's your X. Fantastic. Well done. That's the letter X. Go and have a little practice with the Lego that you've got. Well done, everyone.